Hey everyone. Just want to talk about the plumbing of the 180-gallon Sephora reef tank. My turtles are not happy about seeing each other. Anyways, so the back two corners have two overflows. Each of them have two holes drilled. So let me show you. Look at these guys. They're just fighting, which is why I had to separate them. They don't like each other at all. Although they have been living with each other for about over 10 years, they still don't like each other. Anyways, each overflow has two holes drilled. One hole is it will fit a 3/4 inch bulkhead, and the bigger one here on the left here will fit a 1 1/4 inch bulkhead, which is also included with the tank. So the original design from Sephora is that the smaller one is designed to be the return, and the bigger one they give you a dorsal standpipe, and that's designed to be the drain to your sump. Now, I have done a dorsal before, and when they are running with fairly high volume, when they're running with high volume of water, I didn't like them very much because it's hard to tune, and it's not as silent as I would like. So right now, if you can hear my overflow, let me go up. Here's my overflow. I just put some pothos there and see if they'll grow. You can't really hear any water sound at all. Okay, so this is the other side, the other overflow. So as you can see, this one with the lock line is the main return from the pump. And the other dorsal is pointed straight up so that you can see that the water it's just slightly underneath that the entrance of the dorsal over there. So that means it will only start working if something were to happen to one of these drains on this side. So that side has no noise at all, completely silent, because there's no water going down from there. And this side, I will stop talking for a bit, and you can listen just for yourself what sort of noise, if you hear anything. Now this camera is about, I'd say maybe like 2 feet away from the actual drain. Okay, so I'm trying to capture what is the setup in my there we go, in my overflow. So what happens is that this standpipe is always underwater. So my water level is up here, okay, and the main siphon
is basically a standpipe plus, you know, the 290-degree elbow, so that points it down, and it's always under full siphon. I have the dorsal standpipe where I point it up, but just a bit to the side, so that it is taking water just below the other third emergency drain. So if this gets stuck, the other one takes over. Okay, if this one gets stuck, this one takes over. So a lot of safety built in. Now, usually a dorsal standpipe also has this 90-degree elbow pointed down. Why I pointed it up? Because I didn't want the flushing water sound coming down into the overflow area. So therefore I turned it up so that really it's just kind of coming into the overflow area instead of crashing water into the overflow area. I hope that makes sense to you. So there you go. That's the plumbing of this tank. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will try to answer. Have fun setting up your aquarium.